Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into building a Flutter list view using json data fetched from an HTTP GET request. This will be a comprehensive tutorial, covering everything from setting up the project to handling errors gracefully. Table of contents. 1. Project setup * creating a new Flutter project and adding necessary dependencies. 2. Data model * defining the Dart class representing the structure of your JSON data. 3. HTTP GET request * fetching the JSON data from a remote API using the HTTP package. 4. JSON parsing * converting the JSON string into a list of Dart objects. 5. List view implementation * building the list view to display the fetched data. 6. Error handling * implementing error handling for network issues, parsing errors, and empty data. 7. Loading indicator * showing a loading indicator while data is being fetched. 8. Pull to refresh * adding pull to refresh functionality. 9. Complete code example * putting it all together into a fully functional Flutter app. 10. Code optimization. 1. Project setup. First, create a new Flutter project. Then, add the HTTP package to your pubspec.yaml file. Run flutter pub get to install the package. 2. Data model. Assume your JSON data looks like this, example from a hypothetical API. Create a Dart class to represent this data structure. Create a new file named lib/model/todo.dart. *todo class * represents a single to-do item. * from JSON factory constructor * takes a map string, dynamic, representing a JSON object, and converts it into a todo object. This is crucial for parsing the JSON data. * to JSON method * converts a todo object into a map string, dynamic. This is useful for sending data back to the API, example for creating or updating items. We may not use this in this particular read-only example, but it's good practice to include. 3. HTTP GET request. Now, let's fetch the JSON data. Create a new file named lib/services/API_service.dart. *API service class * encapsulates the API interaction logic. *API URL * stores the URL of the API endpoint. Important * replace this with the actual URL of your API. I'm using https://json placeholder.typicode.com/todos as a free, public example API. *get odos, * asynchronously fetches the JSON data. * uses http.get, to make the HTTP request. * checks the response.status code to ensure the request was successful, 200 OK. *JSON decode, response.body, converts the JSON string in the response body into a Dart object, a list in this case. *JSON list.map, JSON, equals todo.from JSON, JSON, .toList, iterates through the list of JSON objects and uses the todo.from JSON constructor to create a todo object for each one. The result is a list todo. * handles errors, example invalid status code or network issues, by throwing exceptions. 4. List view implementation. Now, let's build the list view in your main widget, lib/main.dart. First, let's create a stateful widget that manages the data fetching and display. *todo list screen * a stateful widget that manages the state of the list. *_todos future * a future list todo that holds the result of the API service, .get odos, call. This is important because the HTTP request is asynchronous. Asterisk init state, asterisk called when the widget is first created. This is where we initiate the data fetching by calling apaservice.getOdos, and assigning the result to _todos future. Asterisk future builder asterisk a widget that handles asynchronous operations, like fetching data. It rebuilds itself based on the state of the future. Asterisk future asterisk the future it's watching, _todos future. Asterisk builder asterisk a function that takes the context and a snapshot as arguments. The snapshot contains information about the state of the future, example whether it's still loading, has completed successfully, or has encountered an error. Asterisk connection state. Waiting asterisk the future is still in progress. Display a circular progress indicator, loading spinner. Asterisk snapshot. Hazererror asterisk the future completed with an error. Display an error message. Asterisk snapshot. Has data asterisk the future completed successfully and has data. Build the list view. Asterisk list view. Builder asterisk efficiently builds the list, only creating widgets that are currently visible on the screen. Asterisk item count asterisk the number of items in the list, todos. Length. Asterisk item builder asterisk a function that builds the widget for each item in the list. It takes the context and the index of the item. In this case, it creates a list tile for each todo object, displaying its title and some other information. 5. Error handling, already included in the above code. The future builder in the todo list screen widget handles errors. This displays a simple error message in the center of the screen if the future completes with an error. The apaservice also throws exceptions, allowing for better error propagation. 6. Loading indicator, already included in the above code. The future builder also displays a loading indicator while the data is being fetched. This ensures the user knows that the app is working and fetching data. 7. Pull to refresh. To add pull to refresh functionality, wrap the list view in a refresh indicator widget. Asterisk refresh indicator asterisk wraps the future builder. Asterisk on refresh asterisk a function that's called when the user pulls down to refresh. In this case, it calls _refresh todos. Asterisk child asterisk the widget to be refreshed, the future builder. Asterisk _refresh todos, asterisk a function that resets _todos future by calling apaservice.getOdos, again, triggering a new data fetch. Using setState rebuilds the widget, causing the future builder to re-evaluate with the new _todos future. Asterisk always scrollable scroll physics asterisk this is used to ensure that the refresh indicator can be triggered even when the content of the list view is shorter than the screen height. 8. Complete code example, putting it all together. Here's the complete code for all files. lib/models/todo.dart asterisk. lib/services/api_service.dart asterisk. lib/main.dart asterisk. 9. Code optimization. Asterisk caching asterisk for frequently accessed data, consider implementing caching to reduce the number of API calls. You can use packages like shared_preferences or scflight to store data locally. Asterisk pagination asterisk if your API returns a very large data set, implement pagination to load data in chunks. This will improve performance and reduce memory usage. You can modify the apaservice to accept parameters for page number and page size. Then, update the list view to load more data as the user scrolls to the bottom of the list. Asterisk debouncing asterisk if you're using a search bar or other input fields that trigger API calls, use debouncing to prevent excessive calls while the user is typing. This will improve performance and reduce server load. Important considerations asterisk. Asterisk API key asterisk if your API requires an API key, be sure to store it securely, example using environment variables or a secure configuration file, and never hard-code it directly in your code. Asterisk error messages asterisk provide user-friendly error messages that are helpful and informative. Asterisk asynchronous operations asterisk always handle asynchronous operations carefully to avoid blocking the main thread. Use Future Builder or Stream Builder to manage asynchronous data streams. Asterisk UI/UX asterisk consider adding more UI elements to enhance the user experience, such as a search bar, filtering options, or a detailed view for each item in the list. This detailed tutorial should provide a solid foundation for building Flutter list views using JSON data from an HTTP GET request. Remember to adapt the code to your specific API and data requirements. Good luck.